We are in Florida!
Oh, I got that perfect timing, Miles. I got that perfect timing.
Show me something natural like 𝓵𝓾𝓼𝓲𝓵𝓮 with your pride. Show me something natural like ass with some stretch marks.
Hello, beautiful people. Look. Ah, you guys get to see Miles. Okay. So right now we're going to an undisclosed location. He won't tell me. Until we get there. We got a rental car. It's lit, okay? We got a Kia Soul. Oh, this is fancy.
It's a Kia Soul.
Ah, yeah.
She act like it's a Lambo.
It is. What do you mean? We're stuck in traffic, but it's okay. If I could pull this down, this would be cute. Outfit number 1, if you remember. If you haven't watched my last video yeah, this way. If you haven't watched my last video, go ahead and watch that. It's gonna be linked somewhere for you. But I don't know how I feel about the scepter, but other than that, I didn't do the clip, you guys. So it's in my bag though. It is ready to go, but I did not do the clip. But yeah, y'all look at this. This is nice. This is really cute. Okay, so he told me where we're going for. I need a mask.
You have one?
I do have one, but we're going shopping. Ooh, and look. Alright, you guys, so we're on day 2 now. Yesterday was a complete lie. Miles, did you?
It was my fault. It was my fault.
It was his fault. It's his fault completely. But,
You can't say though, but it was my fault.
yeah, it was his fault, but not his fault.
Yeah, sum it up. Let them know where we're at.
So now, now we're in Florida. Ah! We're in Panama City. I don't know where we're going at. It's another random city. We're in Panama City.
Want to see some gators.
He wants to see. Why can't I zoom? I can't zoom in on the front camera. He wants to see gators so bad. Stop. It's not cute.
We're gonna eat some alligators today. Some holiday.
All right, and he will be single by the end of the night. Damn!
We are in Florida!
Oh, I got that perfect timing, Miles! I got that perfect timing! Y'all, this is nice. Alright, you guys, so we're gonna go eat in this little place over here. Don't nobody got a mask on. I don't like that. I don't like that whatsoever. But
No, I really feel out of place right now.
there's a few black. There's no black people.
No, I'm talking about.
Oh yeah, like no one has on a mask like that. Like that. But it's just like we still in the pandemic, y'all. You know, like it ain't just disappear nothing. But this little plane is cute. So you guys, we just came, like, we're literally at the top of at the bottom of the pier, like right on the water. This is super cute. This is really cute. Hopefully you can see us.
Hello.
Hi.
I'm Tyler. We'll leave y'all those and be right back. Give y'all some snacks.
Thank you.
You're so extra.
You're extra. Oh, give me here. Thank you. Look at me. Thank you. Oh. Well, can I go back in my mouth now? Put it on the table.
Oh, that's right.
All right. Pay attention.
What up?
You guys have finally get to meet Miles now.
They met me yesterday though.
In person.
What's up, y'all? Miles Grant. I am 𝓸𝓾𝓼𝓲𝓵𝓮 on all platforms. Jazmunmccoy's boyfriend. Tell them where we at.
We're in Panama City. I've already Miles. This is like in the middle of the vlog.
Can you show them the view? Show them what your boyfriend did. Just show them what your boyfriend did. Just show them right quick. Yeah, that's okay. Look at that, y'all.
This is why I need a camera, because this is, see, next birthday camera.
No, I'm gonna get her a camera.
Oh! This is really cute. Here, look. Oh, shoot. Oh, wait. Cute. Oh, don't focus. Okay, wait. Okay, let's just. That is cute. So I got a bucket of ribs, and then Mal's got a po' boy. Cute.
Yes.
It's gone. No. Come back. It's cold.
Okay. Oh.
That water is cold. Miles about to put me on a jet ski. Oh, shit.
It feels
I
good. You gotta
can't.
stay here and get used to it.
Yo, I am scared of water. This is not gonna work out well. But, yo, I'm scared of water. I can't even take my phone on the jet ski because I'm not risking this phone getting messed up. So I need a waterproof camera.
Should have brought a Ziploc.
Living the life. And point. Don't play with her. All right, you guys, we just finished jet skiing, so I couldn't take my phone because Miles didn't bring anything to like protect the phones. But that was fun. Like, and y'all, I am scary, okay? I don't like doing stuff, but I would do jet skiing again. That was a lot of fun. Look at him. He tired.
You
getting that
text me
seat
right
wet?
quick by ASAP.
You getting that seat wet? He don't care. He's soaking wet.
We'll text you guys.
This part is soaking wet, y'all. Cause when you're in the
No, my
front,
bad. I'm gonna text you.
when you're in the front, you know, you get all the water, so his front is soaking. I'm fine. I'm like perfectly dry. Now, where we going now? Tell people.
Can't tell y'all. It's got to see. Stay tuned.
Y'all, don't take press-ons when you go jet skiing. That's ghetto. I'm hurt. And they got, I did really well actually, and they popped off when I got off the jet ski. They in the ocean now. The fish are popping because I got my nails. But catch y'all on the next activity, I guess. I got banana pudding ice cream. Okay, so we have 2 more vlogs from Saturday. So I changed my hair up, cute little wash and go. This is gonna be my hair for my birthday. Cute. And then my best friend is here. Mouse surprised me with my best friend. So I'm about to go see her. All right, final vlog of 19. Bestie. Her stuff will be linked in the description box. So you know, go follow her on. Sorry. Go follow her on Instagram and go follow her on Twitter. You guys, this is my best friend. We've been best friends since kindergarten. Look for her in future videos because it's going up. That's okay. But yeah, it's about. It is 10:52. 10:52. I have an hour until. Oh shit! I have an hour until I am 20. Let's go up. Period. Shake. Oh, beautiful people! It is not my birthday. She's new to this YouTube thing.
I am.
What am I saying? Forgive her. I'm about to get in the shower and transform into the baddest B I am for my 20th. I'm gonna go to Ross, and then Miles has something else planned for today. So, yeah, follow her. Y'all, I forgot to vlog at lunch, but we went out to brunch. Now we're at Home Depot getting stuff for campaign season. Anyways,
Y'all get a car.
now I don't know what we're doing. How this day is going so far.
How I lean in the lap, you can be in the back saying, gimme. Let me explain to you what your body got a young boy ready to do.
Empty car for miles. Period.
Oh, hell no.
Ow! I got it already. Oh, I just pulled her hair out, y'all.
Hi.
This is Shayna.
Oh my god, your camera is so clear.
This is the front camera too. This is my resident.
Hi.
My aunt just got me a bracelet. It's some type of stone.
No, my cookie.
You dropped it. Oh, I thought you
I
dropped
got
it in my air conditioner. And it's like a
like
stony, smoky something, smoking quartz, something like that. So
I need to go do my hair. Why don't we have any videos together?
cute. But oh, let me back up.
What is this for? This is your birthday vlog?
Yeah, it's my birthday vlog. I haven't really done anything today. Y'all saw me at Home Depot. After that, all my friends surprised me. I can post that video.
You might be going out of fake candle again.
Okay, it's fine with me.
You have one job.
It's the win. It's the win. And we was playing. Oh my god, I'm scared for your pop. Exactly. Say hello. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Not the full performance. And now I'm just sitting in my room, doing nothing.
With me. Oh yeah, cause don't play with her. No, don't do it. Oh, like the green with the green eyeshadow. Yeah, don't.
Oh yeah,
even do
don't pay attention to the details, sweetheart.
Yes.
To match the, and then you see the eyeliner.
You.
Yeah, with the crown because
Yeah, cause she's not the one to play with. I'm gonna go do my hair.
red. With the shoes, the
Yeah, she the one.
details. It's all about details, my Alright, you guys, so like I said, I didn't end up doing anything for the rest of the day. I'm filming this on a different day now. So now I'm officially 20. Woo, we did it. I'm like, yeah, like I said, I didn't do anything. I really just went to Sonic after that and then went to sleep. So that's how like my birthday went. Thank you for watching this vlog. If you want me to do more vlogs, you know, I could do it. I swear I have some fun days. More fun than others, as you can see. But yeah, I didn't say it in the beginning, so let's start this now. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and then click the little bell button next to the subscribe button so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. And then, you know, like and comment and all that other fun stuff. Yeah. All right, you guys, see you guys in the next video. Bye.